Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to lock the screen on YouTube for a baby. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Settings app and tap to open it. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Accessibility option. Tap on this option to open it. Scroll down the page and from the General section, open Guided Access. Toggle on this option by sliding on the right side, and from this new drop down, toggle on triple click mobile side button shortcut. Now let's go back to the home screen. Let's navigate and open YouTube app. Now here you can see I can scroll down the YouTube videos. To lock screen, triple click on the right side button of iPhone panel. From the left bottom corner, tap on Options, and from this menu, toggle off touch option. You can also make changes according to your needs and then tap on Done. Now enter a passcode and verify new passcode. Now your iPhone screen is locked. You can touch anywhere. It will not work until you remove the guided access. To remove it, again triple click on the right side button of the panel and enter the passcode. On the top left corner, tap on End, and the guided access is successfully removed. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.